A smooth tracking shot reveals the complete waste-to-product conversion sequence, moving from the gas cleaning system to the acid absorption tower. Here we see the silver crystallization vessel. This process is central to the anode slime's operation at the precious metals recovery facility. The aerial view reveals the complete SXEW operation. The heap leach pads feed the collection ponds.
All systems are nominal. Leak detection is green across the board.
Copy that. Maintaining solution balance levels.
The ISH readings are fluctuating slightly.
Adjusting the airflow rate now to compensate.
The Grasberg underground production level is a marvel of engineering. Here, the organized drawpoint layout for
Are we clear for the next phase?
Affirmative. Process state looks good. Proceeding with optimization sequence.
Engines. The integration of the pilot furnace with advanced thermodynamic modeling allows us to precisely calculate phase equilibrium. Our modeling facility analyzes everything from vehicle demand projections to the mine supply forecast, revealing the steep electrification growth curve ahead.
Always double-check your wiring sequence before securing the panel. Safety first.
The biodiversity monitoring data, combined with this camera trap imagery, confirms successful ecological coexistence near the mine site. This macro view of the winding insertion highlights the sheer volume of copper required for the electrification transformation seen across the facility.
$5,000. Selling. Buying 3. Done. Offer wanted. Prompt date.
We need more mortar over here. Bringing it up now, watch your step.
The optimized pit shell overlay allows us to visualize the most efficient extraction sequence, maximizing recovery and long-term value. We have to update the system. The LME warrant is cancelled, so the bill of lading can now be processed. The sign-off is the critical final step in the annual resource certification, demonstrating technical accountability for the reported reserves.
Thank you for your service. We wish you the best in retirement.
I appreciate this. It's been a long journey.
This is where the copper tends to build up fastest, so focus your scan here.
Okay, I'll adjust the angle.
This outlines the agreed-upon terms for the free, prior, and informed consent process.
We are in agreement. This looks correct.
Please sign here to formalize the record.
Secure the straps. Ready to move on my mark. Ready. Lift. Moving forward to the portal.
With zero emissions and optimized performance data visible in real time, this is the complete electrification future of copper mining. This before and after chart clearly illustrates the impact of the lean rollout.
The sustained improvement in OEE is impressive.
Production records signed and verified. Handover complete. We assume accountability.
This chart confirms it. Thanks to your incredible dedication, we have achieved a new all-time production record.
This cross-section reveals the intricate story of the ore body, detailing the copper grade distribution that makes extraction possible. Copper is spiking. Buy everything you can.
Get me 500 lots now.
We need to offload before it corrects.
The journey of the copper bus bar ends here, completing the critical link that powers the modern city.